This is the Mate 60 Pro. Now can resurrect because on the 24th of July I bought the Huawei Pura 70 EMUI Android because of the no Android APK, no Android app on the Mate 60 Pro. So this is the Mate 60 Pro. You can see it's HarmonyOS and no Macau app. So I bought the Pura 70 Pro EMUI Android for the main phones like this, the Huawei Mate Pura 70 Pro, the Hong Kong version. So this is the EMUI Android version, and previously I showed that is the Mate 60 Pro, and after upgrading to HarmonyOS next run Android app, so I bought the Android Pura 70 Pro. But now it's back because recently the Zhuoyitong Yi, this app has released, so that you can see you can install a lot of foreign apps, international apps, and also Macau app. I can use back this phone, so you can have the market there to search the app galleries like this, and you can also go to the google.com and just like what I'm doing and search whatever app you want. And now there are also, this is the Zhuoyitong Yi, and there are also Zhuoyitong. So Zhuoyitong, so you just download the Zhuoyitong because the Zhuoyitong already integrated inside this Zhuoyitong Yi, so that you just want to enable the to see the Zhuoyitong, to download the app manager, so the app manager can view and edit the Zhuoyitong, the hidden Zhuoyitong. So now I'm going to try to download the app manager, but this Zhuoyitong Yi block very fast for the app manager. So just keep searching, because previously I downloaded it, the app dash and the app manager also okay, package manager etc also okay, but now couldn't download it because they blocked it. And after downloading it, so you can use it, so don't worry, but you can keep downloading, searching for other app manager as well, but mostly they are just 7 days trial. So I'm using the app manager, which is good. I will show you later. No unlimited use, no, not the trial. So now you can see Macau MPay, Macau Bank, and ICBC, OpenVPN, and Macau Bank, and一户通, Macau apps, AA Stop, those kind of things, WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Google, Messenger, all most kind of apps I used on the previous Mate 60 Pro, the Pura 70 Pro, or I use back now can be okay. So on this Zhuoyitong Yi, you can also directly search what kind of app you want, just like the WhatsApp or something. You can just directly search, just download. If you don't know, just download. So convenient, right? And this is like kind of container or virtual machine, but mostly it's a container because you don't need to have the OS and on top of the OS and other OS to boot the OS again, but it's just directly on the HarmonyOS, just using HarmonyOS kernel to run the container here. So here is the 文件共享 the file manager here natively on the Zhuoyitong Yi, just directly whatever APK you can install here, but they have the right list, so not every apps you can install, so you need to use the Zhuoyitong. So now I will show you. So just go to the browser directory, download the app, and you put it there, and sooner or later you can use Zhuoyitong to upload them. So this is just container. It's just like your Windows can run the Android, Windows can run the PS5, the emulator, using the, so Windows run the Android app. Just like this HarmonyOS Next can run the Android APK as well. So as you can see, choosing you can see here directly, you can see this kind of app I have downloaded and tried to install but cannot, because some kind of app they blacklist, so cannot install. So it's just like Windows running Android and PS emulator. It's much faster because it's just they are ARM architecture, both ARM architecture. They don't need to binary translate the architecture and instruction set to just directly just call the API on the container to run the app. So this is Zhuoyitong. You need to use this app manager to, you can see it. So you can just open all the, the right gain all the right to it, and just open and make it running. So run and start the app. This also 文件共享 this file share. Also you need to run it, and you also need to assign all the right to it, all the rights to it. And also, so unlike a long using the long architecture instruction set to translate to x86 to ARM or something, so which may cause the performance losses. So this is Zhuoyitong. Just download the app. You can upload there, and you can run the app. But some still cannot run. They also have the right list. But mostly more apps can be run on the Zhuoyitong. The app APK can be installed there, but 出景易 cannot. Okay. So now, just like a long arc, can run the binary translate, and after that they will use the API to the Y API to connect to the Windows API, so they can run the Windows app. But after translation, the performance will be dropped. So here, the performance is much faster because they have the same ARM architecture, same instruction set ARM, not long out to translate to x86. So it's not the macOS like the ARM translate to x86, but the macOS, they previously translate the ARM to x86 already there, and not the dynamic translate. They are static translate, so which is after translation, they just put it there, and you run it already x86 from ARM, not ARM to x86 dynamic translation. So it's different. So now you can see the Zhuoyitong. Just every app you can, it's like this. The app manager can see the Zhuoyitong and the 共享文件, the file share, and then you can click the file share. You can run it, and you can see the APK you have downloaded, so that you can install whatever APK you want. So it's convenient. So now it's back. You can install Android app on this HarmonyOS Next OS. So the HarmonyOS, the native one, you can have WeChat, Baidu, all are the native HarmonyOS Next apps. So you can see here, native, but you can also use the 出景易 to run the container. So the container can run the Android APK. So now it's very great. All thing back, and Xiao Yi is back. The AI, Huawei AI also back. It's good from using again, and I don't need to use the Pura 70 Pro. Just now use back this Mate 60 Pro as the main phone. I work and something for work and for something.